Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Syscoin. In my last video on Syscoin, I told you that even though Syscoin has broken out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern, but we have a very big resistance of the descending triangle, the bigger triangle. And right now we are again moving closer to that resistance to break it out. And in today's video, we will analyze if Syscoin is going to really break out this resistance of this big triangle or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me recall my previous trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon on Syscoin, and that was a breakout from this ascending triangle. And right now we are going to break this descending triangle. The previous one was the ascending triangle, and this was very small triangle on the 4-hourly time frame chart. This time we are going to break on the daily time frame. Okay, our target for this breakout, after this breakout, was 90 cents. This is the resistance that I want to show you, because previously we were facing this level as a very strong resistance. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well, and here you can see the price line was topped because we had a resistance at 90 cents. And finally, after some resistance, some struggle, a small rejection, another rejection here, we finally broke it out. And after breaking out, it was breaking as a support. For a while we moved down, but again it was recovered back and moved up. Here also we tested this level as a support, and we can see that finally we broke it down here and retested the previous support as a resistance and failed, and we moved down and we tested this resistance of 90 cents once again, but could not break it out. And therefore you can see here and here back in Feb 2022 we had this resistance, and still we are moving under this resistance. Now we are way down. We are at 54.5 cents. Therefore, if the price line will break out, we will face this 90 cents once again as a very strong resistance. That is approximately here. If I place this trend line here, then we can see that here we have a lot of resistance. Here we have a lot of resistance. So previously it had been breaking as a resistance, as support at the several times and the several places. Therefore, it can be a very powerful resistance for Syscoin after the breakout. And right now we are trying to break out this red line, that is the EM at 21. That is very important, because previously when we broke it out here, we had a very big move, and once we broke it down, we could not break it out. And finally, once again, we broke it out here on 19th of March, and after this breakout, it tried very hard to break out this resistance of the triangle, but rejected, and we are again under this resistance of EM at 21. So once it will break out the EM at 21, it will become a very strong support for the price line, like it was breaking as a nice support. You can see it was again and again using this level as a support, and after breaking out here, it tried again to break out the resistance, but we had a rejection. This time you can see that the triangle is quite squeezed, so it is the final and decision-making time for the price line to break out or break down the support or resistance. Right now I'm expecting that it can break out, and once we will have the support of EM at 21, then there will be a very high probability that we will break out this resistance of the triangle. And after the breakout, we will have the different resistance levels. Like we have a very strong resistance here at 90 cents, you can see, and after 90 cents we will have another very powerful resistance at here at approximately $1.30. And if I show you the target for this breakout from the triangle, that will be, if for example we are going to break it out from here, the target will be approximately $1.60. So next few days are really very important, maybe few hours, because we are at the very end of the triangle on this daily time frame. And if we will have a breakout from here, then we can expect a very, very big pump of Syscoin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.